Okay, put it back on the track so Ben can see it again. There you go.
Whoa!
Look at that, Ben. Put your train back on.
Got put it on. Turn it on. I have to get away. I have to get away from them.
Oh, you're right.
No.
Hey, calm down.
There. I can go fast. Oh my.
Uh-oh. He wasn't trying to knock it over.